Now, if, in this last example, if x is specified to always be greater than or equal to 0, then f of g of x is equal to x, and g of f of x is equal to the absolute value of x, but if x is greater than or equal to 0, the absolute value of x is just x. So, for x greater than or equal to 0, f of g of x equals g of f of x equals x. Okay? In this case, well, it's like we have this function f. We take x and we feed it into the function that's labeled f. And out of that comes x squared, which we then feed into the function labeled g, and out of that comes x. Now if we look at where we started and where we end up, it's the same. So we start with x, and we end with x. Okay, so f of g of x the same value we input. This means that f of g of x, that this function is the identity function. This is what an identity function does. F and G are inverses as long as we restrict x to being non-negative. Okay, so this is what we mean by inverse functions. Now we'll look at how the graph of these two functions might compare.